Did you know stability ball workouts can cut injury recovery time by up to 40%? Here's the science behind getting back in the game faster. When you're recovering from an injury, your body needs more than just rest. Stability ball exercises create a powerful foundation for healing by engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously. These dynamic movements activate deep core muscles while improving balance and coordination, essential elements often compromised after an injury. The secret lies in combining these exercises with omega-3 supplements, which naturally fight inflammation and support tissue repair. As you roll, bounce, and balance on the stability ball, your body develops new neural pathways, enhancing your proprioception, your body's ability to sense its position in space. This combination accelerates recovery while building stronger, more resilient muscles. Start with simple seated bounces, progress to wall squats, and gradually advance to more challenging moves as your strength returns. The key is consistent, mindful progression. Ready to bounce back stronger? Drop a comment with your favorite stability ball exercise.